Hey there, this is Zach from Nimbly Market. Today we'll be opening up and cooking the DIY Beef Papaitan Kit, which is a savory bitter stew with beef flank and beef tripe. Honestly, I've never made this before, so this will be a learning experience for both you and me. All right, let's see what we got inside here. First and foremost, the star of the show. We got our flank, I believe, and that's tripe. Now tripe, I know, it's the stomach of the cow. Don't worry, it's absolutely delicious. You probably had it before. I mean, if you've ever had dim sum or you've had it maybe in pho, like I definitely had it in pho. It's probably one of my favorite toppings in pho. We got our oil, we got our onions, you got your garlic, you gotta have your garlic. We got some ginger paste. Oh, and we got our flavor packet. The flavor packet you find in like a ramen pack. And we got chili just to spice it up and black pepper. Everything is numbered, so all you gotta do is go from 1 to 8. Okay, let's start cooking our beef papaitan. We're gonna add our packet numero uno, which is our oil. Just like that. The cut we're using here is a flank. And flank, it's a bit of a tougher cut, so it's got a lot of collagen. You want it to cook for a little bit longer. Get this going a little bit on the early side. It can take anywhere from at least like an hour or two. Plan your day out and get it done ahead of time. And again, you want to get that brown. Yes, caramelized. Then we're just gonna grab our second bag in our packet number 2, which is our tripe. Normally, you'd pre-wash your tripe before you throw it into your stew, but we took care of that and ahead of time, so you don't have to wash it. So you can just throw that right in there. Yeah, there you go. Just keep stirring. Our tripe and flank is just about browned. Once you start hearing your meat start to sizzle again, you know all that water has been cooked off. So keep your ears open. Next, what we'll do is throw in our garlic and onions. And finally, our ginger paste. And we're gonna brown that as well. Again, make sure to keep stirring. Keep a close eye on your garlic. Make sure it doesn't burn. It's smelling really good now. Now we got some nice color going, some caramelization. Let's deglaze our pot with 4 cups of water. And there's 4. Don't forget to scrape the bottom of your pot for those delicious caramelized bits. And then we're gonna add our last 3 items. Our pepper. Okie dokie. Our chili. Again, this is optional. Maybe you want it spicy, maybe you don't. Also, when you throw that in there, and if you're handling chilies, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly after handling these guys. You don't want to touch your eyes or other delicate parts after handling peppers. I know by first-hand experience. It's a long story. Wait, oh God. Okay, remember when I told you not to touch your eye with the chilies?
Yes.
Yeah, I touched my eye. Now we're gonna add our flavor packet in here. And then we're just gonna give that a quick stir. What we're gonna do is bring that up to a simmer and then cover it. Then we wait for our meat to be tender. So again, it could take a while, so I would recommend you get this done as early as possible, as soon as you get home. Papaitan is finally done. The meat should be nice and tender now. It's been going for quite a long time now, so. Okay. Our recommended serving is just to do it with a little bit of white rice. I like to put a little fried garlic on top because garlic is life. Let's get this into a bowl. Oh, this smells divine. It's got a nice rich quality to it. Got some nice chopped green onions there. And voila, there you have it. This is your DIY papaitan, which is a beef stew with flank and tripe. This is gonna be my first time eating papaitan, so got enough, friendos. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. You know, I was honestly expecting something like a little bit more bitter, but no, it's got the right balance of flavor. Well, we gotta do it with a little bit of rice. I'm gonna go inhale the rest of this. Please stop filming me, I wanna eat.
You like it?
Oh yeah. And it's spicy too.